Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn brown vinyl into black vinyl on this week's episode of Arrowhead Garage. When I picked up my brother's 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400 from Oklahoma back in 2020, it came with a bunch of mismatched parts. Like this visors, they're tan. The color was never tan in this car. It was an original red interior car from the factory, and I'm going black, so I could buy new visors, but I could also paint these and look for a lot cheaper than buying new ones. Let me show you how. All right, as you can see, this thing is filthy. Now there's chrome here, there's chrome here, a little chrome right here. So we'll want to make sure that we wash this down, soap and water, and then dry it off, and then mask off all of these parts that we do not want the black vinyl spray paint to go on. So with that, let's clean this up and get to the next part. All right, so here we are. Going to turn on some water. Go ahead and just kind of clean this off. Use a brush here to see what we can get off of here. This other side. I'm going to take a little bit of this fast orange, put it right here, and basically I'm just going to massage it into the vinyl, clean it up. All right, I think we'll let this sit in the sun for a little bit and dry completely off. Okay, now we've let this dry out in the sun. Let's go and hit it with some WD-40, wet it with some Windex. Just make sure we have all the grease and everything off of here. All right. Okay, next we want to tape off all the chrome. This piece right here. There's that little bit of chrome. There's this piece right here. This looked like it's seen better days. Let's see here. Bring it in. Okay, then we'll come back and cut that. Now we'll tape off this. Couple more pieces here. How was your walk?
Fine.
Good.
Sort of. My legs were hard, so that made it worse.
Okay, now I'll go back in and I will cut out this part right here. Okay, so what we're doing, we're going to use this here Duplicolor vinyl and fabric. Now this is the stuff you need to paint. There's a certain way to do this, so watch. You want to just dust it like this. Okay, that's it. Now, walk away, and we'll come back in a minute. We'll try and do another coat. Okay, coat number 2. A little bit more coverage now. Okay, walk away. Coat number 3. Now you should pretty much have an even black color everywhere, whatever color you choose. Okay, let it sit. Coat number 4. Again, you're just let it sit. Okay, 5th and final coat. Again, light, light, light. Just kind of okay, we're gonna let that sit, then we're gonna flip it over. Okay, backside now. Same principle. Going with just a light coat and build it up. I think we're gonna be good. Okay, go get yourself a beer. Let this dry. All right. All right, let's go ahead and pull off our tape, see what she looks like. We'll clean that chrome up, but that is how you can take a color visor or seats or door panels that you have the wrong color for. You can get that vinyl paint, paint it up, and it looks pretty darn good. All right, as you can tell, we're getting ready to put in our sound deadening, but just to show you how those looking, look at that. And they clip up into the visor over on the mirror. That's how they stay, but look at that. That's pretty cool, and didn't cost us but $16 that can of paint. Sweet, let's check that off our list.